forget to subscribe.
Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here. Today we're diving deep into the world of liver health and detoxification with a focus on one powerful ingredient, turmeric. As you know, your liver is your body's primary filtration system, working tirelessly to remove toxins and keep everything running smoothly. But with our modern lifestyles, it can get bogged down. That's where turmeric comes in. This vibrant spice has been used for centuries for its incredible health benefits, especially when it comes to supporting liver function. We're going to unlock 10 easy ways you can incorporate turmeric into your daily routine for a healthier liver. So stay tuned. Let's kickstart our turmeric journey with a simple morning ritual. Turmeric water. Starting your day with this warm drink is a fantastic way to gently awaken your digestive system and give your liver a little boost. It's super easy to make. Just add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder to a cup of warm water. You can amp up the flavor and benefits with a squeeze of lemon juice, a dash of black pepper to enhance turmeric absorption, or even a slice of ginger for an extra zing. This turmeric water cleanse acts like a wake-up call for your liver, helping it gear up for the day's detoxification tasks. Think of it as giving your liver a high five first thing in the morning. Now, who doesn't love a quick and delicious smoothie to power up their mornings? Let's take it up a notch by infusing it with the goodness of turmeric. Adding half a teaspoon of turmeric powder to your favorite smoothie blend is a seamless way to sneak in those liver-loving benefits. Imagine this: a vibrant green smoothie packed with spinach, banana, a dollop of Greek yogurt, a sprinkle of chia seeds, and of course, our star ingredient, turmeric. It's like a party in your mouth, and your liver is sending you a thank you note with every sip. Remember, consistency is key. By making turmeric a regular part of your breakfast routine, you're setting the stage for a healthier liver day in and day out. Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here. We're back with our turmeric series, and today we're bringing the golden spice into the kitchen. Incorporating turmeric into your daily cooking is a simple yet effective way to reap its liver-boosting benefits. The beauty of turmeric is its versatility. You can add it to savory dishes, sprinkle it on roasted vegetables, or even stir it into soups and stews. Think of turmeric as your secret weapon to enhance both flavor and health. Its earthy, slightly bitter taste adds complexity to your meals. Plus, cooking with turmeric allows its active compound, curcumin, to be better absorbed by your body. So, get creative in the kitchen and experiment with different ways to include this powerful spice in your favorite recipes. Let's talk about a soothing and healthy afternoon ritual: turmeric tea. As many of you know, I'm a big advocate for staying hydrated throughout the day, and turmeric tea is a fantastic way to do just that while supporting your liver. Brewing a cup of turmeric tea is easy. You can use turmeric tea bags readily available in most grocery stores, or make your own by steeping fresh turmeric root or powder in hot water. The warm, comforting nature of this tea can help you unwind after a long day. For an extra boost, consider adding a squeeze of lemon juice and a dash of black pepper. These ingredients enhance the bioavailability of curcumin, making it even more effective. So why not swap your usual afternoon coffee or sugary drinks for a cup of this golden elixir? While incorporating turmeric into your diet is fantastic, sometimes you need an extra boost. That's where turmeric supplements come in. Supplements provide a concentrated dose of curcumin, allowing you to reap its benefits even more effectively. However, it's crucial to choose high-quality supplements from reputable brands. Look for supplements that are standardized to contain a high percentage of curcuminoids, the active compounds in turmeric. As always, consult your doctor before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. They can help you determine the appropriate dosage and ensure it won't interact with any other medications you're taking. Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here. We're continuing our turmeric journey with a delicious and easy-to-make salad. Remember, a healthy liver loves fresh, whole foods. So let's whip up a salad packed with liver-loving ingredients and, of course, a touch of turmeric. For this salad, we'll use leafy greens like spinach or kale, which are packed with antioxidants. Add some colorful vegetables like bell peppers, carrots, and cucumbers for a vitamin boost. For protein, grilled chicken or chickpeas are great options. Now for the star ingredient, turmeric. Sprinkle in a teaspoon of turmeric powder or grate some fresh turmeric root directly into your salad dressing. A simple vinaigrette with olive oil, lemon juice, and a pinch of black pepper will do the trick. Black pepper actually enhances the absorption of curcumin, the active compound in turmeric. This salad is a refreshing and healthy way to incorporate turmeric into your diet, supporting your liver health with every bite. It's snack time. And no, we're not talking about processed sugary snacks. We're talking about healthy, liver-friendly snacks that incorporate our golden friend, turmeric. One of my favorite turmeric snacks is roasted chickpeas. Simply toss chickpeas with olive oil, turmeric, and your favorite spices, then roast them in the oven until crispy. They're a great source of fiber and protein, and the turmeric adds a powerful anti-inflammatory punch. Another option is a turmeric smoothie. Blend together some fruits like bananas or berries with a handful of spinach, a spoonful of almond butter, and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. This makes for a quick and nutritious snack that's perfect for a midday pick-me-up. Remember, snacking doesn't have to be unhealthy. By incorporating turmeric into your snacks, you can support your liver health and satisfy your cravings. As we wind down for the day, let's make sure our evening meal also includes our liver-loving ingredient, turmeric. Adding turmeric to your dinner is easier than you think, and it can be incorporated into various cuisines. A simple and delicious option is turmeric rice. Just add a teaspoon of turmeric powder to your rice while it's cooking. It will give your rice a beautiful golden hue and infuse it with the health benefits of turmeric. If you're a fan of stir-fries, try adding turmeric to the mix. Turmeric complements the flavors of vegetables and protein sources like tofu or chicken beautifully. And for those who enjoy soups, a hearty lentil soup with turmeric is a comforting and nutritious choice. The warmth of the soup, combined with the anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric, makes for a perfect end to your day. As we wind down for the day, let's talk about a soothing bedtime drink that can further support your liver health. You've probably heard of golden milk, a traditional Indian drink with turmeric as its star ingredient. It's known for its calming properties, perfect for promoting relaxation before sleep. To make golden milk, simply warm up a cup of milk, preferably plant-based, and add a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper for better absorption, and a touch of cinnamon and ginger for added flavor and warmth. This comforting drink not only helps with liver detoxification, but also promotes restful sleep, setting you up for a healthier tomorrow. We've explored 10 fantastic ways to incorporate turmeric into your routine, but remember, consistency is key. Aim to include turmeric in your diet regularly, not just as a quick fix. Think of it as a lifestyle change rather than a temporary solution. Maintaining a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats is crucial for overall health, including liver function. Turmeric can be a powerful addition to this healthy lifestyle, supporting your liver's natural detoxification processes. Remember, while turmeric has many potential benefits, it's not a substitute for a healthy lifestyle and should be used in conjunction with a balanced diet and regular exercise. That's it for our 10 turmeric tricks for a healthy liver. I hope you found these tips helpful and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Remember, small changes can make a big difference when it comes to your health. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness tips. Most importantly, try out these turmeric tricks and let me know how they work for you in the comments below. I'm eager to hear about your experience.